What's up guys? It's been a while since I uploaded my recent video and I hope you guys have a great day. So what I'm going to do now is my activity 4-1 in computer aided design entitled Power Feed Bracket. So let's start. First thing we're going to do is to create a circle with a diameter of 1.13. Oh, it's too small. And then another circle with a diameter of 2.06. And another one having the diameter of 2.88. The next thing we're going to do is to create a line from the center to here with a measure of 5.26. And then for the next line, which is vertically upwards, having the length of 1.62, and another one having the length of 3.62. And then 1.26. Alright, and then let's create a circle. To easily locate the midpoint, press shift and then right click to find the midpoint. We have the measure of 0.76, and then create another line having the measure of 2.26, and then we can create the circle having the radius of 0.1875, and another one having the same radius 0.1875. And then the next thing we're going to do is to create a line with a distance of 2.62. This line is just a basis for the center of our next circle. Our next circle has its diameter of 1.88. And then we have a circle with a radius of 0.375. Okay, and then create another line. We can make use of the quadrant, and another line again, quadrant, and then make use of the tangent. No, we're not going to use triquadrant. This also with the use of tangent. Okay, and another line using the tangent again to put the line with the circle, okay, and then let's create another line for the basis again. We have 3.94, then create another line and use the offset right here. We have 0.28, and then same as the opposite side, 0.28, and then another one but with different distance, having the distance of 0.47, and same as the opposite side, 0.47. okay, and then can use the line again. And then create another line with a measure of 1.70. Press enter, and then another line with a length of 0.56, same as the opposite, 0.56, and connect to the circle, and then make use of the trim. Okay, there we have it. And then let's make use of the fillet. Let's modify the radius and make it 0.12, and let's proceed. And then another fillet but in different radius. We have the radius of 0.94. Okay, and then let's, for the continuation, let me first fix my view. Okay, and then for the next step, we are going to create a line having the length of 5.5 3062. Press enter. And then for the next line we have 2.075 and then 1.88. And then we have 0.56. And then 0.38. And then create another line with a length of 0.275 and then 0.76. There we have it. And then for the next line we will make use of the other part to locate the location of the another box. From here to here, 0.14. And then another line having a distance of 0.70. Okay. We may now trim. To avoid confusion. Then make use of the quadrant. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is to write our reference line. 0.06. Okay, then for the next line we have 1.88 as the length. Create another line from here to here and trim. Create another line as reference. We can make use of the nearest. We have 3.38. And then 4.70. And then let's make our circle with a diameter of 1.12. 1.12. And a radius of 0.1875. Okay, nice. And then we have 0.80. Let's trim it. Trim the excess lines. And then it is said that we have a circle. We can make use of the circle at the lower side, and the circle have its radius of 1.76. And then the next thing we're going to do is to create another circle with a radius of 1.50. After doing this, we're going to trim the excess again. And then for our next step, we're going to create a line. 0.4525. center, and then another line, with the distance of 1.30. And then another line. Okay, and then let's trim again. Trim the excess lines. And then after you have done trimming, after we're done, we have to use the fillet, having the radius of 0.12. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin trimming. Doing fillet rather. Okay. We're almost done using the fillet. There you go. We have next one here. So we have our the next thing that we're going to do is to make use of the layers, but let's create a line first. And here we're here having the length of 3, and then with the radius of 82. Okay, then let's create layers. Let's create another layer. Let's have a new layer, PBL, representing purple broken lines from a word. And then we have the purple color, the magenta, sorry, it is magenta, not purple. And then another layer, the green broken layer, green broken lines, its color is green, and the line type is dashed. Okay, and for the another we have center, the center too, line type. Okay, and then we can proceed. First, we're going to create a line with the length of 0.1730, and then create an offset .29. 0.29. We have 0.1730. And then another line, 1.76 as its length. 1.76. We're just doing this to easily locate the destination for our next line. Okay, and then let's trim. And after trimming, let's go into the next. .38. And let's trim. Okay. Let's use the midpoint. Shift and then midpoint. Where's the midpoint? Here. Then let's erase again the excess lines. So the next, what we're going to do next is paint the green lines at the right side corner. So we have a green line here, and then another one. Let's use the quadrant. From the excess lines. Okay, and then also a green line here. And then go to use the quadrant. And then find the midpoint. Lower midpoint. Another one point, and after doing this we can see that the green lines aren't broken, so we will adjust. And then properties, adjust the line type. We have 0.02. okay, there we have it. And we can use the fillet. And then after doing this, we may now proceed to the other layer. We have the quadrant, and then make it, we can position it right here. Okay, and then another one. Use the midpoint. Okay. After doing this, we'll have we forgot to we have 1.12. There we go. And then trim the excess. We now make the line, then use the midpoint. There you go. the nearest. Nearest. Okay, and then adjust the line type, properties, line type 0.22, center, and then proceed to the other layer. We should adjust it also. Properties, line type. Now that the magenta and green broken lines are visible, after adjusting after we have adjusted the line type, we can now proceed to the dimensions. Let us first create a layer. Dimensions having the red color. Wait. Before using the dimension, we should check it first, because there are times that we have a different setting. So want to type D and then choose gradient style, then standard, then let's modify its precision is just 2 decimal places. Okay, then the text is red. Nope, it's green. And then the symbol and arrows, it's fine. The lines, we have red. For the arrow, okay, we may now start putting the dimensions. As 0.5.26, correct. And then another dimension here we have 3.62, correct. Then another one from here to here we have 2.26, correct? So guys, as you can see, here's our finished output